Hi there. If you're tired of that constant ringing or buzzing in your ears that just won't stop, you're not alone. My name is Linda. I'm over 50, and like so many people, I know how scary it is when your hearing starts to change. It's frustrating. You wonder if it'll get worse, if you'll ever hear clearly again. It can make you feel anxious or even isolated. That's exactly why I'm making this video. I want to share my honest thoughts about a product I found called Audifort. If you're researching it right now, trying to figure out if it's real or if it's just hype, this is for you. So, what is Audifort? It's a natural dietary supplement designed specifically to support healthy hearing and reduce that persistent ringing sound people describe as tinnitus. The company claims it's a 100% plant-based formula that helps calm the ear noise filter in your brain, so those sounds don't get stuck and amplified. I know that might sound a little too good to be true at first. I felt the same way. That's why I spent time digging into their site and reading every detail I could find. One thing I really liked about Audifort is how transparent they are about what's inside. It's not a mystery formula. On their official site, they clearly list over 20 carefully selected ingredients designed to support healthy hearing. A few of the key ones include maca root, which helps boost your energy, grape seed extract, rich in antioxidants that help protect your ears, and green tea, which is known for improving blood flow to the ears. They also use capsicum annuum to support a healthy inflammatory response, gymnema sylvestre to support hearing, and GABA, which is great for promoting relaxation and easing anxiety. For me, that kind of ingredient list makes sense. It's natural, plant-based, and you can see how each part is supposed to help your body do what it's meant to do. I also read dozens of user reviews. People described feeling less buzzing or ringing over time, better sleep, even more relaxed overall. Of course, not everyone will have the same results, but it was reassuring to see genuine stories from real people my age. If you're skeptical, I completely understand. Supplements like this aren't miracle cures, and they're not going to fix hearing loss overnight. But if you're looking for a natural approach that supports your body's own healing processes, it might be worth exploring. I also appreciate that they offer a money-back guarantee. That always makes me feel safer trying something new, knowing I can get a refund if it doesn't work for me. So if you're curious about Audifort and want to see if it's right for you, I'll leave the official link in the description below. You can check out their site, read the full list of ingredients, and see if it feels like a good fit. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. Wishing you calm, quiet, and good health.